Calling all little chefs. Get ready to whip up fun and friendships with the mini chef utensil set. The ultimate playtime companion for budding culinary stars. With 20 durable and child-safe pieces. This set fuels your child's imagination, turning their make-believe kitchen into a creative wonderland. Each utensil, crafted from high-quality, rust-resistant stainless steel, is perfectly sized for little hands with big dreams. It looks and feels just like the real thing, making every pretend dish an exciting adventure. But it's more than just cooking. This set encourages teamwork, builds social skills, and inspires creativity. Whether they're hosting an imaginary dinner party or cooking up a storm with friends, the mini chef utensil set turns playtime into a blend of learning, fun, and cooperation. And parents, you'll love the thoughtful design. The smooth finishes are free from sharp edges and harmful chemicals, so you can relax while they play. Plus, it's eco-friendly, reusable, and easy to clean, making it perfect for both kids and the planet. Here's a bonus. Each set comes with a free mini glove for your tiny chef, while supplies last. Perfect for those imaginary oven adventures. Get your mini chef utensils set today and watch your little chef mix fun with learning, one delicious pretend meal at a time.